In this video, I will show you exactly how to earn money online simply by reading books. So, when it comes to making money online, there are many websites away, but you can't make good cash, which will not be a legit platform. But this is a legit platform that I will show you where you need to read books and earn money with that. So, this is an excellent way to make some extra cash online. Now, I will show you in detail about the platform to do that. Also, I will give you some tips on just how to do that properly. Before we get into the video, welcome to our channel. If you enjoy our video, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell button. Also like it and share it with your friends and family if you like our video. And let us know your experience with this strategy in the comments below. Now, let's get into the video. So, this is the website that I am talking about. It's called acx.com. Let me explain exactly how this platform works. There are many people out there who want their genuine paperback books to be converted into audiobooks because nowadays many people like to listen to audiobooks rather than physically sitting and reading those books. They want to put on their headphones and listen to audiobooks. So all those people who have books like that come to this website and hire people to convert their books into audiobooks. So this is what you will do. You will be reading those books, narrating those books. Once you finish that, you will be making money. So you can select whatever payment scheme you want. If you want to earn money as soon as you finish the audiobook, you want to make money like that, you can opt in for that and want a royalty share. So royalty share means that you will get a commission each time someone buys your books. Each time they make a sale on royalty basis, you will get 50% royalty from that. Let's say that the book is $100. 50% of that will be $50. So you will get $50 each time that your book gets sold on these platforms. So the books that you convert into audio files will be sold on these platforms: Audible, Amazon and iTunes. So these are several of fantastic platforms out there which have loads of traffic. So imagine the traffic that you will be getting for all those audiobooks. So each time you make a sale, you will get a commission for that. If you want to get a one-off payment like that after you complete the audiobook, you can also opt in for that. So my recommendation would be you go opt in for the royalty share so that you can earn money each time they make a sale. So it's a passive income. You have to finish your audiobook and give it to them. So each time they make a sale, you will be getting a commission, as well as it's all going to be passive income instead of just getting like a one-off thing. So if you need money immediately, then you can just opt in for a one-off payment like that. But if you can wait to get a passive income, after that you can go for royalty shares like that. Let me describe how this works, how they put up the books, how you are going to convert, how the whole procedure works. So let me describe it to you. If you want to become a narrator, they call you a narrator. So if you want to convert the books into audiobooks, you will be this narrator who will narrate the entire book. So the book file and all that, it can be like 4-7 hours or whatever. You can complete it in 1 day or 2 days or something, and you have to upload it right here. So let me explain to you how this procedure works. If you want to become the narrator, there is this choice exactly how it works. So under that, you can see this guy is narrator. So you need to click on that. Once you click on that, it will bring you to this brand new web page. This web page will show you how this whole thing works. First, you need to sign up for acx.com. After you do that, you can select whatever book you intend to convert into audiobooks. So you need to go via an audition. Once your voice gets selected, once they like your voice, they will sell it to you after you finish your audition and provide you a script for 15 minutes or something. So you want to do that once again. After that, they will approve it and go through the whole process of doing the entire audiobook. That's how the entire procedure is going to work. So can you see all these steps? The initial steps is to create a profile, and you will upload some samples of your speech and your voice. How it will be like, so you want to read a particular script and you need to upload it on your profile so that when people come to your profile, they can check out your voice and how it sounds and all those things. So then you want to say it how you want to earn money, if you wish to make money one-off or you want a royalty share. So you need to select that. Then if they like your sample, they will undoubtedly connect an audition if they want to choose you, or perhaps if you are interested in a particular book. So you want to convert that into audiobooks. Take an audition like that and read the manuscript that they will give you. They will approve you. They will provide you with like a short script. So you want to read all that and you want to send it to them. Once they accept you, once they like you, and once they like your voice, they think that the person is truly perfect for this book, then what happens is you start recording. So you start. They will give you like a 15-minute script. You need to do that. You need to do 15 minutes of narration. Then once they check everything, they will provide you a feedback little where you want areas of improvements and all those kinds of things. They will tell you. And after that, they will approve you. So after that, you can start main recording. You record the audiobook and also you send it to them and you get paid, and that's it. You start to grow from there and then you can get lots of audiobooks that you want. There are lots of them. So you can take this doing like things, how many other audiobooks you want to count, what you can do. So these are some of the books which need to be converted into audiobooks. So you need to do is, you can see this option here, compensation. You need to click on this. When you click that, you can sell books which pay a lot, 400 to 1000 PA page. So this is finished everything, and also this is like $200 to $400. So you need to click this too because these are the highest. So you want to click that and also click on the royalty share. So if you want money immediately, you can go with this option. Still, if you want passive income, if you want to get recurring income, you need to go for royalty share and click apply. If you choose all those books related to that, will undoubtedly come up how much ever they will pay you. So they will certainly short accordingly. So then you can open whatever book you want. Whatever things you think will certainly be suitable for you, you can go for all that. So can you see this particular book? The estimated length is 10.4 hours and they offer a royalty share for this specific book. It's in English. After that, for the audition, you can see the audition script. This is what you have to read and record and also send to them. If they like the way you speak, they will undoubtedly accept you. After that, you do 15 minutes recording and you send it to them. They will approve it and then you do the main recording. So that's how it works in the beginning. You might think that you will immediately earn money. However, even anything that is to generate income online, it will take a little. So I'm not telling you that it will work instantly and you will make money immediately with this. So it will take a little while till you get an excellent rating here to get some recognition right here. So if you try this 3 or 4 times and all that, you will get used to it. You will undoubtedly get even more professional at it. So if you want to make money online, you need to never give up. You need to do it until you succeed with that consistently, not just with this. It's to make some extra cash when you are starting an online business. That's how we are want to be, and you need never give up. This is how the entire thing works. First, you got to take the audition so you can choose whatever books you want. Then, once you finish one thing, you can convert lots of audiobooks that you want. There are many books out here. Brand new books are coming out each day and people like to convert the books into audiobooks because people enjoy listening to audiobooks and all that. If your voice is excellent, like have many people told you that your voice is wonderful, then this is something you should try. If you are great with narration and storytelling and all the stuff, this is something that you can try. It's another legit way to make some money online. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell button. Also like it and share it with your friends and family. And let us know how much money you earn by using this strategy in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.